The CSIR's mining and engineering testing facilities in Cottesloe, Johannesburg, serve the South African mining industry with testing and product development in pursuit of the zero-harm goal of the industry. The role of these facilities dates back to 1935 as the Government Mechanical Laboratory of the Department of Mines. Today, the facility comprises the mechanical, rope testing, and self-contained self-rescuer laboratories. The CSIR Steel Wire Rope Laboratory is the largest facility of its kind in South Africa. The laboratory is approved by the Department of Mineral Resources and Energy and accredited by the South African National Accreditation System to conduct statutory testing of steel wire rope samples from mine winder installations across South Africa. This is an important part of rope condition assessment to ensure the safety of thousands of workers being transported daily down some of the deepest mines in the world. The laboratory's rope test machine is able to perform destructive tensile testing of rope specimens up to 160 millimeters in diameter, with a breaking strength of up to 1,500 tons. This means that it is capable of determining the breaking strength of even the largest diameter mine winder ropes, as well as special wire ropes for heavy lifting and marine towing applications. The CSIR Mechanical Testing Laboratory hosts, among others, two of the largest mechanical testing machines in South Africa and serves the mining, manufacturing, construction, and power transmission industries. Safety-critical products such as lifting and hoisting equipment and a variety of mine support systems are routinely tested for compliance with industry standards to ensure safety. This 1,000-ton compression testing machine has the ability to accommodate test specimens up to 4.5 meters in length and is frequently used to evaluate the compressive resistance of a variety of roof support systems employed in modern underground mining. The 500-ton tensile machine, with its 25-meter test bed and 2-meter stroke length, is used to carry out proof load testing and destructive tensile testing to examine the mechanical properties of a wide range of products. The CSIR has embarked on a multi-year infrastructure upgrade program to modernize the facility, combining the unique size of these machines with modern test control and monitoring technology. Self-contained self-rescuers supply mine workers with oxygen in case of emergencies, such as fires and underground explosions. The CSIR Self-Contained Self-Rescuers Laboratory was established to carry out an industry-wide annual monitoring program. More than 200 mines are visited each year, and a representative sample of all self-contained self-rescuers are tested to determine if the units remain fit to save a life in an emergency. The testing program helps to identify premature degradation and production quality issues, and so assists original equipment manufacturers to improve the durability and reliability of their self-rescuers.